Hi, in this video we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is hard fork. So in the previous video we have seen that the DAO smart contract was hacked and the hacker was able to extract out funds from the DAO smart contract. If you haven't watched the previous video, I will suggest you to watch the previous video on the DAO attack. Now to stop this attack, now to stop this hacker from extracting out the fund from the DAO smart contract, the Ethereum community came out with a solution, and that solution was hard fork. Now in this hard fork, what was proposed actually that let us upgrade our smart contract because our smart contract consists of some vulnerabilities, and due to these vulnerabilities some hacker is able to extract out funds. Some people of the Ethereum community thought of that we should upgrade our smart contract. If we will upgrade our smart contract, then the hacker will not be able to extract out fund. But there were some other members who thought, okay, if we are going to upgrade our smart contract, we are actually going against the principle of a smart contract. That smart contract must be immutable. You cannot change a smart contract once it is deployed to the Ethereum or to any other blockchain. So two parties were formed. One who was suggesting that we should upgrade the smart contract so that we can stop the hacker from extracting out the fund. Another party who was saying that if we are going to upgrade our smart contract, it will be against the principle of our smart contract, that is immutability. So we should not upgrade our smart contract. And due to which only two blockchains were formed. One was the Ethereum blockchain, this core blockchain. This blockchain supported the upgradation of the smart contract, while this blockchain, this Ethereum Classic blockchain, said, okay, I am not going to participate in this upgrading of the smart contract, so we will split from here. And this process where you are seeing, right, that a single blockchain got splitted into two different blockchain, this process is actually called as hard fork. But you have to understand much more about this because there is another term also that is called soft fork. But we will talk about soft fork in the next video. In this video, let us understand what is hard fork and what is hard fork all about. So during a hard fork, software implementing a protocol and its mining procedures is upgraded. So the underlying software, the Ethereum software that people are using so that they can be the part of this Ethereum blockchain, that software is upgraded so that the desired changes can be made. Second thing is, once a user upgrades their software, that version rejects all the transaction from older software, effectively creating a new branch of the blockchain. And you will understand this. We will discuss about all these concepts in much more detail. Just don't worry for now. However, those users who retain the old software continue to process the transaction. So if you will go back in this example, this Ethereum Classic, who said that we are not going to upgrade the smart contract, they were following the old version of the software, while this new blockchain, after this point, this new blockchain was adopting a new version of the software. So that's why we see a split after this 1919999 block. And hard fork is not something that has actually happened to the Ethereum blockchain. Hard fork is something that has already done on the Bitcoin blockchain. In year 2017, August 2017, two different blockchains were formed. One was our core blockchain, that is Bitcoin core blockchain, and another blockchain by the name of Bitcoin Cash. Now, why we have these two different parties? The reason is very simple. This Bitcoin Cash community, this Bitcoin Cash party, they said that we should have much more size of the Bitcoin blockchain. Like if we talk about a typical Bitcoin blockchain block size, it is around 1 MB. And since it is around 1 MB, we have limited number of transactions inside a block, right? So this Bitcoin Cash community said that, okay, this 1 MB block is not suitable because we are not able to have more number of transactions in the Bitcoin block. Why not to upgrade the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB? But this Bitcoin community, this party, they said that no, we do not want that. We only want that Bitcoin blockchain block should be 1 MB because this is good. We should not increase it to 8 MB. But this community said no, we want to increase it to 8 MB. And that's when this split happened at 478558 block, this two parties are formed. This Bitcoin Cash, who was supporting 8 MB block of the Bitcoin blockchain, and this Bitcoin that was supporting only 1 MB of the Bitcoin blockchain. And now let us understand this hard fork with the help of an example. So here we have this Bitcoin Cash blockchain who said that, okay, we are ready for the 8 MB block of the Bitcoin blockchain. And this Bitcoin blockchain, this our core Bitcoin blockchain, who said that no, we are not going to upgrade to block size of 8 MB. So these are the people who haven't upgraded, right? And these were the people who have upgraded. And I have given some timestamp. Definitely this timestamp can be in months or in a year, but I have just for the illustration purpose, I have 11 a.m, 12 p.m, 1 p.m, 2 p.m. Okay, so this is just an example to illustrate. And here we are going to upgrade the block size to 8 MB. So this community of Bitcoin Cash has upgraded 8 MB block, but this one has not updated or has not upgraded to 8 MB block. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. So this is the line after which people have a choice that they can either go to 8 MB block or they can remain in the 1 MB block. So let's say our 1 MB block is mined at this by this Bitcoin community, okay? And after some time at 12 p.m, let's say they again mined one more block that is of 0.7 MB. And since 0.7 MB is less than 1 MB, so they can mine this particular block, right? Now at 1 p.m, a block is mined which is of 7 MB. Now, since this block is of 7 MB, so these people cannot mine this block, right? Why? Because they have not upgraded to the latest version of the software, right? This is what we have seen, right, in the previous video. While these people, they have upgraded to the new software, so they can mine a block of 7 MB, right? Now, again, at let's say 1 p.m, again, a new block is mined by these people, which is of, let's say, 0.5 MB. And that's fine, right? But now you can see that we have a split in the blockchain, right? After this particular block, we can clearly see that we have a split. Now, after this particular time, both of these community will mine the block separately. So let's say another block of 8 MB was mined by this community at 2 p.m. and at 2 p.m. a block was mined by this community of 1 MB. In the same way, again, some 0.8 MB block was mined by this particular community and 8 MB block was mined by this Bitcoin Cash community. And this process will go on parallelly. Means these people will not affect these people and these people will not affect these people, because now we have two separate blockchain. These people have actually upgraded the software while these people have not upgraded the software. That's why we have these different blockchains. And this is what we have learned about the hard fork, right? In the definition of hard fork, that there will be two versions of the software. The people who will go for the latest version, they will have a different blockchain, but the people who will be in the old version of the software, who will be using the old version of the software, they will be still be using that old blockchain only. And this is what we are seeing in this particular example also. So I hope now you have understood what is hard fork, and all these 3 points are very clear to you. So I hope you liked this video. If you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm regularly going to upload new blockchain courses on this channel. If you want to connect, you can connect with me on Instagram. I am available there. And if you want to join our blockchain developer community, links are given in the description. You can join the Discord blockchain developer community. You are most welcome. And if you have any doubts, please do not forget to comment below this video. I'm active here and I will definitely try to answer your query. So meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.